everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: Landmark launches Ryaltris AZ at an affordable price in India. JCB India pauses its manufacturing operations for 10 days due to rising cases of COVID-19. Blue Star to invest in a new manufacturing facilities target to grow by 25% in financial year 26. Ariel India's new film on Dr. V.S. Priya is a beacon of hope and possibility. Vibhat Chhibbar's entry as Diljit's mother bring major twist in Sony Sub's Tera Yaar. Landmark Pharmaceutical Limited, a research-led global integrated pharmaceutical company, announced the launch of Ryaltris AZ nasal spray for the treatment of moderate to severe allergic rhinitis in India. Landmark, being one of the leader in respiratory segment, has been the first to launch the branded generic version at an affordable cost for the treatment of allergic rhinitis in India. This will provide patient a far more convenient, cost-effective treatment option in the country. The country's leading manufacturer of earth-moving and construction equipment, JCB India, announced a 10-day pause across all its manufacturing facility in India. The company has cited the rising number of COVID cases for its temporary suspension. This is a precautionary measure and applies to all our manufacturing locations at Ballabgarh, Pune and Jaipur, said Mr. Deepak Shetty, CEO and Managing Director of JCB India. Next up is AC major Blue Star will invest 250 crore in a manufacturing plant in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh, which will have a production capacity of 5 lakh room air conditioning unit per annum. It will also invest 150 crore in a new manufacturing plant in Wada, Maharashtra for deep freezers. Blue Star also plans to cater directly to the European and North American market in around 12 months, after it has expanded the capacity at its plants. The expected market size for the room AC market in India by financial year 22 is 6 million units. Blue Star also plans to grow by 25% in the next financial year, while the industry is expected to grow by 15 to 20%. Next up is Ariel India's new film on Dr. V.S. Priya, Kerala's first transgender doctor, is a beacon of hope and possibility. Ariel is known for progressing the lives of people through its innovation in laundry, as well as by taking up the cause of furthering gender equality within households in the country. Taking a step ahead, the detergent brand from the house of P&G has now come out in support of LGBTQ community with their latest film driven by their belief in inclusivity and equality for all. Sharat Verma, Chief Marketing Officer of P&G India Subcontinental and Vice President of Fabric Care P&G, said, Ariel believes in a world free of bias that fosters equality and inclusion is a world where everyone can thrive. Next up is Sony Sub's popular show Tera Yaar Hu Main is back with a fresh and exciting lineup of episodes this week as it continues to enthrall viewers with its engaging storyline. In the upcoming episode, viewers will witness a crucial turn in the life of Diljit and Raji, as Diljit's mother Gurmeet will take entry. On the entry of Gurmeet in the show, fans and viewers brace themselves as the show is all set to take them on the roller coaster ride of emotions. So gear up to watch the fresh episodes of Tera Yaar Hu Main from Monday to Friday 9:30 p.m. only on Sony Sub. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.